First of all, it's the 7th Passau Summit, and I'm very happy about that, where people from industry and science are coming to Passau for having 2 intensive days talking about this year data, AI and people. And of course, these are 3 topics that shape, from my opinion, our future digital world and also beyond the digital world. But the question is how you can use high quality data and data products to drive AI and AI-based applications, and how those are used in application domains like, for example, steel or general business cases or health and medicine in order to shape our future.
We see AI can everything, but AI can't do anything without data. And this is the big advantage we have in Europe. We have the data, we have generate good data, high quality, but we need to lift the treasure now. This is the most important thing. Then AI is working well.
In Germany, what we have is just great data. So our companies are sitting on a treasure of wonderful data sets. And at this conference, we talk about how to lift these data treasures. And this is very important that academia and industry comes together. And here we discuss a lot of possibilities, like in terms of technology, as well as ideas from companies that help us really exploit the opportunities in data spaces that we have here.
My research is about immersive analytics in material sciences, and basically the topics which we are focusing on is how can we evaluate and prepare the data in order to ensure decision making, especially with regards to, for example, virtual reality, augmented reality, in order to see inside the data.
Large language models offer great potential to assist users in data analysis, but there are also many concerns, not only regarding the technical limitations, but also in how users form trust in the responses of the large language models. And that's why we investigate trust calibration. So how do users make decisions based on the data analysis results from an LLM-based assistant, and how can they improve decision-making based on these responses.
I think it's a great opportunity for young researchers like me to connect with fellow researchers from the University Passau and beyond, as well as with experts from the industry, and find out about the newest trends.
It's the atmosphere and the people, so it's always open, collaborative, and every year there are new topics actually that are exciting. So it has been an evolving event, and I love to come here if possible every year.